Hi, welcome to the special bonus. We're going over how you can track your homestead savings and protect your personal information. To track your savings, make sure every year you know your assessed and market values, your homestead exemptions, and millage rates. In order to track your total homestead savings, assessed value percent change, and portability, you'll take your tax bill and look in the ad valorem section and find your assessed value for the current year. Next, you got your two parts of your homestead exemption. Here, in my case, I have the standard $50,000 exemption with the additional $5,000 exemption, broken down into school and non-school categories. Then finally, your millage rates. And just in case you wanted to know, here's the formula used to calculate what you gotta pay. Now that you know how to collect your data, you need to enter it into the homestead tracker. Go to the resources, select a tracker from the list, and open the link. There's Google, Apple, and Microsoft, and I'm going to show you how to use each type. We'll start with the Google spreadsheet. When you open the link, it's going to bring you to the shared spreadsheet. Go to File, make a copy. Go ahead and name it My Tracker. Then what you want to do with the shared tracker, just so you don't get confused, I'd go ahead and delete it. You just click the three dots here and just remove. Now here we go. This is your personal tracker that you can input your data. There you go. That's it. And for Apple, this is going to be numbers. We're going to join. Go to My Spreadsheets. All right, so here it is. Click the three dots, duplicate. And then what we're going to want to do is delete the shared one. All right. Let's go to the copy we made and rename it My Tracker. All right. And this is your personal tracker that you can enter your data. There you go. Just like that. All right. Now, and for Microsoft Excel, okay, I forget how to do this one. All right, we're gonna go up here, go to OneDrive. Trying to find the one I shared. Is it here? No. Excel. Is that it? How do I copy this thing? Oh, it's under recent. Okay, here it is. Found it. Okay, here's the shared one. You go down here to copy to documents, go to add. All right. Now, while that's being copied, let's go ahead and remove this one. All right, now go to My Files, Documents. Here's your personal tracker. Now let's rename this. Okay, My Tracker. Got it. Open it up. All right, now this is your personal tracker. There you go. You can enter all your data. One last thing, I would recommend using the browser version of these trackers because it's just easier. They got built-in formulas, and if you download them to your desktop, sometimes the formulas get all out of whack or they break. So just save it with your Google Drive if you're using Google, or if you're an Apple user, go ahead and save it to your iCloud. And finally, for Microsoft, just add it to the OneDrive. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. When you got your preferred tracker, at the top, you'll notice the tax table, which is used to auto-calculate your savings for the year. Underneath that is your tracker, where you'll log all your savings over time. All right. Now that you know how to collect your data, you need to enter it accordingly like so. You're just gonna add in your assessed value, your exemptions, and then the millage rates. And then it auto-calculates. In this example, homestead savings went into effect, so log the savings here. But keep in mind, your first year will look something like this. 0 savings, no exemption, no portability. Okay, here are the 3 areas you want to pay attention to. Number 1 is the homestead savings column, obviously. Number 2 will be the assessed values. And notice on the right how it auto-calculates the percent change from the previous year. In this example, the first year there wasn't homestead, so that means no Save Our Homes benefit, and that's why the percent change was over 8%. Going forward, you know it won't be more than 3%. And finally, number 3 is the portability amount. In case you move, you want to track that. When it comes to portability, you have to manually calculate that though. You can use your tax notice, so just find your current year values, As you know, it's the difference from the market value and assessed value. And subtract them here, which gives you your portability. Then you'll log that in your tracker. There you go. Just do this every year and you're good. All right, yep. I want to show you one more thing. Depending on your local property appraiser, I'm not sure how your millage rates are going to be listed. Notice on my tax bill, the millage rates are listed in 6 line items. However, on the tax notice, the millage rates are listed in 8 line items. That's because 3 are being grouped into 1, i.e. South Florida Water Management. Regardless, the tax table is set up to accommodate both. So whether or not you input your data in 6 lines or 8 lines, the results will be the same. Just make sure your total millage rates are correct. When it comes to protecting your personal information, here's some things you can do. Number 1, request confidential status from public records. This is not for everyone, but here's a list of people that qualify. There's law enforcement, correctional and probation officers, military that served after 9/11, and different kinds of judges, EMTs, paramedics, and firefighters, and so on. You can find more details in the resources. And just in case you don't qualify, here's some more to consider. You can opt out from information brokers, you can perform a credit freeze, get on the do not call registry, opt out from pre-approval offers, and or pay $2 to stop junk mail for 10 years. But going back to number 1, I want to show you how you can apply. Okay, in the resources, you'll find protect your information tips. There's 6 of them. Just go ahead and open up link number 1. It'll bring you to this page. Just scroll down, select your county. Let's say you live in Miami. Here's the request form. You can go ahead and open it up. It's pretty self-explanatory. It tells you where to send it when you're done. There's one area that I want to show you for the folio number or the parcel ID. You go to the map. You can search by address, owner name, subdivision name, or you can use the map itself. It's an interactive map. You just click on it. Let's say this is where you live. Here under the property information, you can see your folio number. This is what you would need to fill out the form. Let's do another example. Let's say you live in Hillsborough. Here's the request form. You're going to need your property ID. Same thing. I'll show you how to get it. Here's where you can mail it or you can fax it in. The rest is self-explanatory. All right, let's go back. Click on the map. In this example, we're going to search by address. Let's say this is where you live. Here's the folio number. Yeah, and this is the parcel ID or your property ID. All right, let's do another example. Let's say you live in Orange County. Here's the request form. Okay, they're gonna want your parcel ID, yep. The rest is all self-explanatory. Once you complete it, you can mail it in, or you can fax, or you can even email this one. Okay, let's go back. Click on the map. Okay, let's search by address. In this example, click search. Let's say this is where you live. All right, and right here is the parcel ID, and that's what you'll use to complete the form. All right, there you go. Module 6 complete. I'll see you in the next one.